and Radhikapur Delhi Express. Ladies and gentlemen, here we mark the beautiful, auspicious moment and here we see the virtual flag of trains marking the start of the passenger train operations between Murshidabad Azimganj via recently opened Nashipur Bridge, ladies and gentlemen, by the honorable hands of our Honorable Minister of Railways, Information and Broadcasting and Electronics and Information Technology, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav sir. We mark this auspicious moment and mark of a new history. We see the Krishnanagar Azimganj passenger train, Azimganj Kashim Bazar passenger train and Radhikapur Delhi Express, the mark of a new beginning. Can we have some louder applause? जोरदार तालियां होना चाहिए, जोरे हाथ नहीं होना चाहिए। এত সুন্দর একটা মুহূর্তের জন্য এই ঐতিহাসিক মুহূর্তে সাক্ষী হয়ে রইলাম আমরা আমাদের in presence of our Honorable Minister of Railways, Information and Broadcasting and Electronics and Information Technology, Shri Ashwini Vaishnav sir. We are honored and obliged by this historical moment.